In this segment of puppet making, I'm going to be making the connection between the neck and the head core. So I've decided on this little cat to make his head detachable. And how I'm going to do that is I'm going to do a telescoping sleeve of brass to encapsulate the wires here and make a little tie down. So this is going to be placed in here with the tie down coming out the back of his head and a little telescoping part for the wires to go in there. The part that sleeves into the lockdown part on the head core. Sometimes it can get stuck in there as you're test fitting. No big deal. So this is going to be gluing on a K&S square stock to wires. When using water putty is you need to use some kind of dust mask, and you want to be sure that this little powder doesn't get into your lungs. But other than that, it's a fairly non-toxic way to go. I'm thinking this is a nicer alternative for me that is BPA free rather than using a 2-part epoxy for gluing these in. So don't forget, masks on. And so I'm just going to pour a little bit in and work my way up. And you might ask, what's the working time on this stuff? Depends on how thick or thin you mix it. I want all those little pieces to go in, slide in there. And you can wear gloves if you don't like having this kind of thing on you. It's basically the same as plaster Paris. You want that nice bubble on top, and then you don't want really much of anything on the wires. So we ended up using very little. You can mix up a lot less if you prefer.
Virtual hugs to all my Patreon supporters. Please keep on sending me these great questions about my process. And like always, be crafty, be resourceful, and stay safe. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.